Panjin Jiahe Shengshi Pharmaceutical Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer supplier of various chemical intermediates. We produce disinfectant chemical material such as chlorhexidine gluconate, 20% solution and 99% powder, chlorhexidine acetate, chlorhexidine hydrochloride, chlorhexidine base, BKC solution and powder, benzethonium chloride, DDAC, PHMB, PHMG, phenolphthalein, and other organic intermediates. All these chemicals are widely used for sanitizer, mouthwash, disinfectant, water treatment, or other disinfecting usage and fire retardant chemical materials. All our disinfectant chemicals had received ISO 9001 quality certificate. All disinfectant chemical material with safety, mild, long-lasting characteristics, more suitable for human, animals, objects, and environment disinfection. We have professional technical support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries, including Turkey, Russia, Canada, USA, Mexico, Brazil, Chile, Ecuador, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Middle East, South Africa, and European. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. We are equipped with full-set production line and various testing instruments. Our R&D department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM/ODM projects. We can produce at least 3,000 tons per month. We are a reliable supplier of the disinfectant chemicals, supply with 2 years warranty. We are looking forward to get more cooperation.